In primetime news tonight, where's the respect? National Security Minister weighs in on dispute between policeman and transport operator in Spalding, Manchester. Don't fear us, the call from the country's Muslim community. And why? PSOJ wants justification for $1 million separation package for Petrojam's former HR boss.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green is here with a preview.
Thank you, Janella. Well, it's Wednesday, so we have our gas tracker. Petrol prices are going up. We'll tell you by how much in the business day.
And from Herman, we go to Jermaine at the sports desk with a look at what's happening there.
Thanks, Archie. Well, the ping pong controversy in the Table Tennis Association continues as there's a move to stop this weekend's annual general meeting.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what is your reaction to the incident in Spalding, Clarendon yesterday, in which a policeman shot a bus driver?
You can check comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.
Primetime